Hey guys, and welcome back. Now, you've probably noticed a high increase in our overall profitability. You've also noticed the increase in our overall trading success rate. So the risk to reward also has been fantastic. And we're doing this using our trading AI bot, right, which is tailored to US30. Now, this system turns information plus probabilities plus speed into consistent market edges at scales, right? And let me just break down some of the things that this bot does, and then we'll get into some of these trades as well. So it doesn't just look at price charts, right? The AI bot consumes live order books, so every bid, ask, etc. Trades hitting the tape, so who is aggressive, who's passive, volatility services, correlations across different asset classes. We're reviewing macro indicators, so CPI, FOMC, NFP, etc. in milliseconds, news and filings, right? And flow data. So the key edge here is speed plus the breadth of information, right? So humans like us see candlesticks, algorithms see market intent, and it's very important that everybody understands that they model probability and not predictions. And this is critical, right? Because the AI bot is not asking will the market go up or down, it's asking if X happens, what's the probability of Y? Is the expected value positive after costs? How often does this edge appear? How does it behave in different regimes, high volatility versus low volatility? So for example, when liquidity thins plus volatility expands plus correlated assets diverge, mean reversion occurs 63% of the time within 90 seconds. And the AI says, okay, this is tradable, and then gives us the trade. And once again, it may sound a bit complex, but it doesn't matter. You benefit from this, right? And the AI bot also exploits market microstructure, right? And this is where retail has no idea. And this is a real source because the AI bot is looking for hidden liquidity, order book imbalance, iceberg orders, stop loss clusters, forced liquidations, market maker inventory stress. They're not trading RSI oversold. They're trading large participants must transact here. They have no choice, right? And obviously the AI bot executes this perfectly, right? Now, if you look at some of our trades, you can see just how accurate the AI bot has been for us so far. It's made us a lot of money. I'm sure it's made you guys a lot of money as well. And of course, remember, this works as long as your risk to reward works as well, right? Because even though, yes, we have an extremely high success rate, if you over leverage on all your trade positions, all that's going to happen is it takes one trade to wipe you out. So you still have to make sure you have solid risk to reward. What does that mean? That means if you've got $1,000 account, you don't risk at $1,000 in one trade, because that might be the 20% that ends up being a loss. And guess what? Because you're wiped out, you're not going to be around for the 80%. So you need to make sure that you're staying on top of this. Now, if you look at some of these positions, right, it does look like buy low, sell high, but it's about how precise it actually is. So if you look at this position that we gave out on the 10th, right, price sells off. So it doesn't go up straight away. Prices sell off. But guess what? It factors in where orders are, right? So it makes sure we don't get stop hunted. Price hits that area at 47,462. What happens? Price rallies straight to the profit target. It also gives us a trade once resistance is broke. And this is where actually a lot of people might be fearful. Why? Because price is in price discovery mode. But you can see the orders, you can see the flow. We capture that trade, price pulls back, and then we get ready for the next trade, right? Very simple, very straightforward. And what the bot's doing as well is there's two settings. There's one that factors in, just clear-cut day trade positions, so buy and sells, but the success rate on that would be a lot lower because you're no longer sticking to the trend. We've got it set to the trend, and that's why the probability is so high. So for example, we can see that we're currently trapped in a range here. So all the bot does, identifies when price is about to sell off, it finds us a bottom, we buy that bottom, and then we capture the upside move. So what the bot is telling us now is that we're about to break this area of resistance. So we have two options. Number one, take profit every time this resistance area is hit. Or number two, hold the position until it's broken, leave trade to break even, and let the trade run. And we're going to do more breakdowns just like this. We're going to get into more individual trade setups. We're going to talk about how we can increase profitability using the bot, and how you guys can, cash out weekly, daily using this as well. And of course, as we develop the bot, you'll see different settings and how you can benefit from, the different settings as well. But yeah, this is an introduction of our AI trading bot. We haven't given it a name just yet, but it's for US30 exclusively for now. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. Until next update, see you today.